We are so privileged to have SolidWorks today the way we have it.
And after using that, I'm like, thank you, SolidWorks. Thank you.
Light years from where it started, and light years from what it used to be.
It's very impressive, the evolution.
Night and day difference.
I love it.
I'm very glad that I don't have to use that version today, but it's pretty cool to just think of what was possible back in 1995 and then even just how far we've come.
You don't realize how much the software has changed because you've evolved with it.
I wouldn't want anyone to have to go back and design in SolidWorks 95. It was groundbreaking at the time, but now it looks just so dated. But that's a good thing, progress. It was a lot easier to use then. I remember just being very proficient with going through all the steps, and the experience today was a lot menu-driven, which now it's all based on the ribbon, and the tools that we use today are up front, they're in our face, whereas that was, you have to dig through and find the menus and stuff. So it brought back a lot of memories. I wouldn't want to do that again. I don't want to go back. I'll keep my current version of software.
What they're doing with SolidWorks today is just as revolutionary and amazing as what SolidWorks 95 was 30 years ago. I genuinely believe that, it was incredible then, and it's only gotten more incredible.